This first question is going to ask us to draw an elevation in the direction of arrow A and an end view in the direction of arrow B. We also have to project a plan from the elevation. We first start off by deciding where our views are going to appear on our page. Once we have located where the views will appear on a page, we are then going to set up our X, Y line. I will now size up the entire height and width of the elevation of the boat for this particular question. With the widest point established and the highest point established, I am now going to use construction lines, which in this case is a red colour, to complete the overall size of my elevation. This allows me to know that everything else for the elevation for this particular drawing must fit inside that rectangle shape. I have also divided up any other horizontal lines that will be needed in the elevation. I now will mark any widths that I will also need in the elevation and draw them vertically straight up. With my black coloured pen, I am now going to darken in the full lines that will appear in the elevation for this particular question. I am also going to put in the hidden detail, which shows that there's a notch taken out at the back of the boat, but we cannot see it from this view. We know it exists, therefore we put it in as a broken dash line. The top of the boat can be seen as a cylinder in the 3D representation, but when we are looking directly at it in our elevation, it will appear as a flat surface. I'm now going to continue on my construction lines down towards the plan. I'll move 10 millimeters down from my XY line to start the plan. I will then set out the overall width of the plan and draw another construction line across. From my drawing, I can now gather additional information that I'm going to need to complete the plan. Remember, the plan is what appears from the object when you're looking directly down at 90 degrees to that object. The object that we drew, or the notch that we drew in hidden detail in our elevation, can be seen in our plan, therefore it is drawn with our full lines. It appears as a rectangle. The tower in this case will appear as a semicircle looking down from plan. Therefore I will draw in the semicircle with my compass. My next step is to set up the end view. Every line must come off the XY line at 45 degrees. Any lines from the plan that don't hit the XY line must be brought to the XY line before being brought up at 45 degrees. Once they hit the XY line coming up at 45 degrees, they are drawn straight up. Again, all these lines that can be seen in red are construction. The rest of the lines needed to complete the end view are drawn directly over in construction from our elevation. This has now given us all the pieces of information that we need to complete our end view. And it is now just a matter of filling in the full lines that show this particular view.